Introducing the 2021 SEAT Ateca 2.0TDI 150B Experience Plus Automatic DSG in striking red. With 726.115 kilometers, this SUV is packed with comfort, safety, and technology features like satellite navigation, ambient lighting, parking assistance, and lane departure warning. The luxurious interior includes cup holders, multifunction display, and voice control. For added peace of mind, this vehicle has ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The chrome package and privacy glass give it a sleek look, while the stop and start system enhances efficiency. Rest easy knowing it has a full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specs. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this exceptional SUV.